Hi, I'm Mrs. Hoffmeister, and I've got this math problem in front of me, and I just don't feel like doing it. I don't feel like it. Do you ever have things in your life that you have to do and you just don't want to? It's not that I don't like math, and it's not that I am sick, and nothing really is standing in my way. I just don't feel like it. You know what I feel like doing? I feel like drawing. I've got some smelly markers, and I wanna draw. Or I've got this Rubik's Cube, and I wanna play with it. Or I've got this recorder. I could blow on it and make some music. I could go outside with a cape and run like a superhero. I want to do all those things, but I don't want to do this. And I wish I could tell you that when you become a grown-up, it's easier, that you always want to do your work, but that's not true. Adults have things they have to do that they don't want to. So one of the lessons of growing up is to make good decisions that will help you later on. Like if I play with the Rubik's Cube, it's going to give me lots of joy right now. But guess what? When I finish playing with this work is still going to be here. And I could pick up the recorder and play a great song and be really happy right now. But when I'm done playing the recorder, this work is still gonna be here, and I still have to do it. So how can I change my mind to do what I need to do, what I have to do? There's a couple of ways. The first thing I can do is remind myself that the work is for my benefit. It's for me to use my brain, and using my brain is good, and learning and working is good, even if I don't feel like it. Another thing I can keep in mind is that my feelings aren't always truth. Because I don't feel like doing this doesn't mean that I shouldn't do it. A third way that I can make a good decision about doing work and taking responsibility for what I need to do is to promise myself something when I finish. So I might say to myself, self, when you finish working, you can play the recorder. And I'll make myself that promise. I promise when you're done working, you get to play. And that will motivate me to do what I need to do when I don't feel like it. Plus, when I'm done doing what I need to do, I feel good. So I have to tell myself, self, you may not feel good now, and you may not even feel good when you're working, but when you're done, you're gonna feel so much better. So, I'm gonna do this problem. I'm gonna make myself do it even though I don't feel like it. And then I'm gonna give myself this reward when I'm done. Will you come with me and work too? What kind of reward are you gonna give yourself? Maybe it's video game time. Maybe it's a cookie. Maybe it's an activity like a Rubik's Cube. What could you promise yourself that you can do when you're done? All right, ready? Have you got something? Okay, ready to go with me? Say go. All right. Whew, I have this chart in front of me. It's a graph. Favorite sporting events. Ooh, you may be into sports. That may spark your interest. Let's look. We've got soccer, football, and baseball. And then 0 all the way up to 50. Okay. And then we have these bars, and the bars are different heights. So we have 3 sports, favorite sporting events, numbers on the side. All right, let's look at the questions. Are you ready? I don't feel like it, but I can make myself do it because I know it's good. Number 1, which sport is least popular? Least. Least means lowest. Least. Well, here am I. If I just look at my bars, I can see that soccer looks the lowest. And so least popular is soccer. Now, you may disagree with that. You may be a total soccer fanatic. It's okay. We're doing the work. All right. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I think if I do this a little bit at a time, even though I don't feel like it, I can make myself do it because I'm in control of me. Number 2, how many more people like baseball than soccer? How many more? More baseball than soccer. Look at this word than, T-H-A-N, not T-H-E-N. T-H-E-N is like I woke up, then I brushed my teeth, but this is than. We are comparing, A-N. How many more people like baseball than soccer? Well, here is baseball and here is soccer. Look, they're equal here. And then here's the more. So they each have 10, but baseball has more. And the more is 10 more. 10. You know what? I'm halfway through and I'm feeling all right. This isn't as bad as I thought. Sometimes it's just the starting that's difficult. Okay, number 3. Oh, 10 people. Number 3, how many total people were surveyed? How many total people were surveyed? How many total people? What do you think that surveyed word means? Oh, like asked. Like, which sport do you like best? All right. We've got soccer, football, baseball. Well, we know this is 10, and we know this is 20. 10 plus 20. 10 and 20, mental math, is 30. Now, I need to add football to that. Now, let's see. Football, 40. Look at, do you see how it's sort of in between the 40 and the 50? What number is in between the 40 and the 50? What's midway between? 45. So now, if I have 10 and 20, which we said is 30, 30 and 45. Can you do that mental math? If you need to write it out, it's okay. 75, 75. 75 people were surveyed. Okay, I only have one more question left, and then I'm done. Then I get to play my recorder. Number 4, here we go. If the soccer fans and the baseball fans join together, do they have more fans? Do they have more fans than, there's that word again, than the football fans? Soccer and baseball. Well, I already put those together. Remember, when I put the soccer and the baseball fans together, I had 30. Now the question is, do they have more fans than the football fans? Well, let's look. Let's put this here and put this here. Here's 30. Do they have more? Is 30 more than 45? And the answer is no. No, they do not have more. I'm done. You're done. We're done. Goodness gracious. Do you remember just a couple of minutes ago I was thinking about, I don't feel it. All I have to do, all you have to do is start. Remember it's good for you. Remember how good you're going to feel when you're done. And you can promise yourself something as a way to motivate yourself. Now, I get to play my recorder now that I'm finished. I'm so excited. I did it. You did it. Now I'm just going to play some more songs. Thanks for doing math with me. See you next time.